Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. You are welcome. Today we are doing, as usual, a very simple recipe. Alright, we are doing corned beef stew and it's really delicious. So do come along with me, okay? And let's do this lovely recipe. Right, so what I have here, I have some oil in the pan here and it's quite hot. So I'm going to add some chopped red onions and some sweet peppers. Okay, what I do, if you normally watch my videos, I do this a lot because I do caramelize these and it tastes so amazing when you just blend it and put it back into the stew. So that's what I do normally. So I'll put that into the oil. So I'll allow this to just brown. Oh, it smells amazing. Oh my goodness, you have to try this trick. It makes your stew taste really nice. It has a lovely taste. Okay, so guys, I'm going to blend these, okay, with some ginger and garlic. So guys, before I put my caramelized onion and peppers into it, I just have to put some rosemary and some thyme as well. I like to add a bit of cumin and some curry powder. This makes the oil smell really nice. Onion mixture in there. So I'll let this cook for a while and then I'll add my tomatoes. So guys, I want to add a bit of tomato puree. It smells really amazing. Right, the next bit is to just add my chopped tomatoes. So what I'll do, I'll cover this for it to cook. When you chop the tomatoes, really, it takes less time to cook. So guys, checking on our lovely stew. As you can see, it's cooking nicely. So guys, I'm adding a bit of spice to it as well. You know I love spices. So just a bit of aniseed powder, and I'm adding just another teaspoon of curry powder, just a little bit of nutmeg, I will let it simmer a little bit and then I'm going to add my vegetables. So I want to add just a bit of salt. I don't want to add a lot of salt because I'm adding the corned beef and there's a bit of salt in the corn. So I have some spring onions and some carrots, some green peas, I've beaten some eggs and I've added some black pepper. Okay, so I'll pour that in. And I'm going to cover it for it to cook. So guys, as you can see, our stew is cooking nicely. Look at the lumps of egg. It's amazing. So what I'm going to add next is my corned beef. I've cut them into cubes. Okay, I put them at the last minute because I don't want them to really mix with the stew so much that you can't really see it. All right, so that's why I do it this way. The corned beef I recommend is Exeter. This one is quite nice and hardened, so you can use that. If you can, but you can use any corned beef of your choice anyway. So I put that in. Then let's gently stir it just for a few minutes, and then our stew will be done. So guys, this is our corned beef stew. Just look at that. The egg, and we have, if you can spot some of the corned beef cubes there, it tastes amazing. Okay, so you can eat this with rice, with any food of your choice. Okay, with spaghetti, with anything at all. It goes with potatoes, yam. So try this recipe and you are going to love it. So guys, if you like this recipe, do give me a thumbs up. Okay, and please subscribe to my channel. Do put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video, you will be notified. Thanks so much for watching, and may God richly bless you. Bye.